Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 28th of February, the last day of summer. Now, for tomorrow's weather, we're generally going to see warm conditions across Australia, a few areas of isolated thunderstorms driven by these low pressure troughs, as well as a smattering of showers in the southeast as a weak cold front moves through. We do still have severe tropical cyclone Alfred sitting off the Queensland coast, continuing to intensify. Now, we have a dedicated severe weather update video for tropical cyclone Alfred, so you can find all of the tropical cyclone details in that other video. For now though, we'll take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast, starting with Queensland. Warm, dry and mostly settled across Queensland for our Friday. Heat waves starting to build through western parts of the state. We may see some very isolated showers about the eastern coastal fringe and in the far north, with low rainfall totals expected. Now, Tropical Cyclone Alfred sitting offshore is generating some strong winds and large waves for parts of the east coast. We've got strong wind warnings between Townsville and Gari and hazardous surf expected about the Capricornia and Gari coasts. So dangerous conditions could be seen out across those marine areas. For Brisbane though, it will be a partly cloudy day with a top of 31 degrees. Patchy morning fogs through eastern New South Wales tomorrow and then a generally sunny day following, although we do have the chance of some afternoon thunderstorms across parts of the eastern ranges, parts of the Hunter and South Coast as well. Now, any storms are likely to be fairly isolated and not deliver too much rainfall. Inland, it will be clearer and hotter with low intensity heat waves building through parts of the north. For Sydney, we're looking at a mostly sunny day and a top of 32 degrees, 33 down in Canberra. Partly cloudy skies and patchy showers across southern Victoria tomorrow, as well as across the eastern ranges. But rainfall totals will generally be low and confined to the morning period as that weak front moves through. It'll be drier and warmer across inland parts. For Melbourne, we're heading for a partly cloudy, top of 26 degrees tomorrow. For Tasmania, this cold front will move through during the day. Now, we're likely to see some showers moving through with the front, mainly impacting western parts, although we may see a smattering through other areas as well. We're likely to see some fresh westerly winds in the wake of this front, which will contribute to high fire dangers persisting through some areas, even once that front has moved through. For Hobart, we're looking at a possible shower and a top of 22 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, we may see the chance of morning fog through the southeast. Otherwise, we're looking at partly cloudy conditions across most of the state and the chance of a few patchy showers through those southeastern areas as well. It will be drier and clearer across inland areas with heat waves building in the north. For Adelaide, we're looking at a top of 29 degrees with mostly sunny conditions. Over in Western Australia, we will see the chance of thunderstorms once again across parts of the Gascoyne, pushing down into northern parts of the wheat belt and parts of the goldfields too. Now, rainfall totals are likely to be fairly low with any storms that develop, but we may see some gusts coming through with those thunderstorms. It will be very hot inland. We've got severe heat waves building across parts of the Gascoyne and the interior as our run of hot days and nights continue, but milder through the southwest with sunnier skies. Perth is heading for a sunny top of 31 degrees. In the Northern Territory, we are likely to see a few patchy showers and the chance of a thunderstorm about parts of the northern and western top end coast tomorrow, pushing back across parts of the Kimberley coast as well. Now, they're not going to push too far inland, and we've got much drier conditions for central and southern parts of the territory. Hot as well, with severe heat waves starting to develop. It's also worth noting that elevated fire dangers are expected for tomorrow. Extreme fire danger ratings are forecast for the northern Barkly. For Darwin though, we're heading for a possible shower and a top of 33 degrees tomorrow. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM weather app and via our social media. Have a good day and we'll catch you next time.